Hello everyone, hi beautiful people. Let me show you the product Crypto Wolves. So this is the members area of this tool, and inside this video I'll clear you the product. Basically there is nothing much or nothing, no features are available to show you inside this product. This product is all about a video. So a video is consist of 1 hour and approximately 18 minutes. Or exactly 17 minutes and some seconds. Okay, so 1 hour and 18 minutes, or you can say 78 minutes content of video will be available inside this package, and you will be given that package about cryptocurrencies. If you are really want to know about crypto trading and crypto signals, and also buying signals, selling signals, future potential, and market ups and downs inside crypto trading, inside exchanges, crypto exchanges, then you need to take the product. And like this kind of product, like a future product, I want to say about this, that these kind of products are future product, and so many people in the world are investing inside crypto. Okay, so this is the cryptocurrency sales page. You need to go through it. If you click on the video description link, you will be redirected to this page, and from this page you can purchase the tool. You will be available with my best bonuses. I am assuring you, I am promising you. Like, my bonus link is given inside the place, inside the platform where you are purchasing the tool, the Warrior Plus platform. You will be available with my bonuses. So inside this pack you will be given, so this owner is named as Alessandro Zamboni, and he has the knowledge about just investing $800 a month. He take out $500 or more than $500 a month. Okay, so by investing 800 he got more than 5,000. So he got 5,000. So this kind of thing, if you want to do this kind of thing, according to him this happened to him, if you want to do this kind of thing, if you want to get this kind of result, I think at first you need to have $800. Okay, so if you are a minor, or if you are lesser than 18 years, I think you don't need to worry. Just leave this video and don't purchase this tool. But if you have $800 or near about something, and you have the investment capability, then you should take this product. You want to invest inside future products, like inside cryptocurrency, you have to take some risk of $800 or $700. Then you will be available with this kind of result. Like, this video is a very good video. I have not gone through detailing inside this video. I have gone through 5 minutes. Of this video, and after going through that, this guy is showing a live stuffs about crypto stuffs. Okay, so live things about crypto stuffs will be shown inside this video, and the good thing is detailed. Okay, so everything is very live and very high quality video. Though meaningless say about it, but pixels does matter. I think pixel does matter inside video. And this is a live video. You can go through it. We will be available with the knowledge of Ethereum, Dogecoin, and something like that, similar coins. That is the thing. Crypto is trending, and this is the product. Inside $17 you can purchase a tool. The whole thing, everything you need to get inside crypto, that will be given by this guy named Alessandro Zamboni, and according to him, he got more than $5,000 by just investing $800 last month. Okay, so this is the tool, and inside Upsell he will be given some more knowledge and some more stuffs, like lower studies and higher studies. That kind of stuff is front end and Upsell. You can get the similarity of front end and Upsell, like higher studies and lower studies. So if you purchase any Upsell of this tool, you will be available with my more bonuses. That is also given to you totally free. So you can purchase the tool by clicking on the video description link. Also, you can join their Facebook group by just clicking this join button and putting the email, putting that exact email that you are purchasing the tool. And also you can join their Telegram group with the same tool or with the same email, I think, or not email. This is the channel to get signals. It's mandatory, and it is mandatory, so you need to join it if you want to join it. So this was the Crypto Wolves product, and that is the thing. I am now signing out for this video. If I want to show you my bonuses, let me show you if I can show you. Okay, let me show you just a bit. So I think inside this the bonus is given inside this tool. The same bonuses are not this tool, sorry, not this tool. I think inside this tool the same bonus is given. So that is the thing. So if you purchase a tool, you will be available with these bonuses. Like these bonuses will be given to you totally free inside the front end product. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be available with more bonus, the mega box. So I am signing out for this video. You can click on the video description link to go through the sales page and you can purchase it. You will be available with my bonuses. And for today, bye bye.